All right, so now we're going to talk about higher order derivatives. So with this function, what we're going to do is we're going to need to take the derivative twice. So the first one, we just start doing it implicitly, and we've got 2y times that y prime, which is equal to 4. And I divide by 2y, and I got my y prime alone, so 4 over 2y. So now we have to take another derivative. So I'm just going to start doing it implicitly again. So whenever you see y prime, you're going to get a double y prime, and just the same as before, anytime you see a y, you take the derivative and then you get the y prime. So right here, we've got y double prime is equal to, I'm going to think of this as 4 over 2, which is just 2, y to the negative 1. So I'm going to get negative 2 y to the negative 2 times y prime. So if I write this in, I have y double prime is equal to negative 2 y prime over y squared. Well, we know what y prime is, so I have to take what I know for y prime, which is that 4 over 2y, and I have to plug it in right there. So what I'm going to end up getting here is y double prime is equal to negative 2 times 4, and I'm going to move these pieces to the bottom, 2y times y squared. Well, the 2's are going to cancel out, and this is just going to give me my y double prime is equal to negative 4 over y cubed. And that's how I do a double derivative.